Hello, everybody. This is Gigi talking about tricky integration number 5. And this is the trick of adding 0. I liked it so much last time. I'm going to give you a little different variation of it here. Okay, so suppose we have the integral of ln of x minus 1, all of that raised to the 7th power multiplied by ln of x, all divided by x dx. And you look at that here like, oh my gosh, what's going on right here? There's so many ln of x. That's okay. Now you can actually do, if you think about it, if you use a u substitution, then you should be thinking, well, either u is going to be ln of x, or u is going to be ln of x minus 1 in that parentheses there, right? And really it would make more sense to have u be something like this. But then this ln on here has only ln and not ln minus 1. So what are you going to do about that? You are going to add 0. And this is what I mean by that. Okay, I am going to add 0 to my advantage. And I'm going to rewrite, this would be ln of x minus 1 to the 7th power. And then here, multiply by ln of x. I really wish to have ln of x minus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write minus 1. But what am I going to do? Write out, add 1. You see how plus 1 minus 1 right in there is the same as just adding 0, right? On the denominator, I have x, ln of x. Now, what I'm going to think of is I am going to think of this as one term, and then plus 1 in the purple as another term, right? So then I can go ahead and distribute this into this and that, okay? So then when I distribute ln of x minus 1 to the 7th power multiplied by ln of x minus 1, that's another copy. So I will have, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute and then I'm going to split the fraction at the same time. Okay, so then I will have ln of x minus 1 to the 8th power, right? Plus ln of x minus 1 multiplied to 1 is still ln of x minus 1 to the 7th, right? ln of x minus 1 to the 7th multiplied by 1 is still ln of x minus 1 to the 7th power. Both of those are over x. So I'm going to go ahead and split that over x, split the fractions, dx, dx. Okay, now I will do u substitution. Let's take a look. U is equal to ln of x minus 1, right? So then du is going to be 1 over x dx, which is what this is, 1 over x dx. 1 over x dx. And here's my u to the 7, and here's my u to the 8th, right? So that integral becomes integral of u to the 8th du plus integral of u to the 7 du, right? Which give you u to the 9 over 9 plus u to the 8th over 8 plus c. And my answer to this problem here would then be u, which would be ln of x minus 1 to the 9 over 9 plus u to the 8th. That's ln of x minus 1 to the 8th over 8 plus c. And that is my final answer. I love adding zero. Adding zero is awesome.